Assalamu alaikum ji, welcome to Learn and Earn. I hope you all are doing very well in this academic time. Today I am making the video on Zoom. In this time of period, there are a lot of students, a lot of teachers who are using Zoom and teaching their classes, online classes. So there are a lot of problems we have faced while using the Zoom. So I am just trying to find out the problems and make the solution of that problem. So let's start. Firstly, we will write the Zoom on the Google. Then you have this type of screen: Zoom video conferencing, web conferencing, webinars. Then you should just click on the download. When we click on the download, this screen will appear and you have a lot of options: Zoom Client for meeting, plugin for Microsoft, plugin for IBM Notes. So just don't pick anyone, just click on the client for meeting. So I have already downloaded version. I am going towards it. Just right click, run as administrator. When you will start it installation, after installation this type of screen will appear. Means your Zoom is installed. Just click on sign in. Then we have sign in have two options. We have a join meeting option before sign in, but this option is for only for that when somebody sent you a meeting link and you have its meeting ID and the password, then you should enter the meeting ID that is already you have and enter your name, whatever what you want to write. Then moving towards sign in option. Going towards the sign in option, we have this screen will appear. If you have already a login ID or sign up ID, then you can enter your ID and your password and key sign in. And if you don't have any ID, then you can link it with the sign in with the SSO, sign in with Google and sign in with Facebook. With this Google, when you click with the Google, it will be connected with your Gmail account, which is you already used to log in your laptops, or where if you are using with the mobile, your mobiles are also connected with some Google account. So from this option you will connect it by that ID. Click on the sign in with, so this screen will appear. Now it has many options like new meeting. If you want to schedule a meeting, if you want to start a meeting with anyone, so this option is for those that. And if you want to join a meeting, you have already invited by someone and you have its ID and password, so just join. And the next is say share screen. You can also share your screen with your students or with the partners to whom you are doing the meeting. And schedule is for that if you want to do meeting after some days, so before that you have scheduled it and send the invitation before time to the people. So we will move towards the new meeting. Okay, there are some more options. They have chat, meetings and contacts. Start meeting. When we will start meeting, you seen that this option and this screen will appear. Just cancel it. Join with the computer. Then click on the automatically join with the audio by computer when joining the meeting. Join with the computer audio. Now you see here there is a microphone. Before that we have a headphone option. In the mobiles we have headphone option. When we click on it, we have option that join with the computer audio or mobile audio Just click on it and then your microphone will start working. It has some other functions also. You can switch to phone audio, leave computer audio, and there are a lot of more functions. You can start video also, video chat. Then we have options of participants. How many participants we have? If we want to invite other people, then just click on this invite link and just copy invitation. In this way, if we copy copy invite link, click on this option, then we have only a link. When we copy invitation, then we have its ID, password and link. We have all these things. So if you want to try to invite other people, always click copy invitation, not copy invite link. Copy invitation has all the details about your meeting. Somebody are joining with their computers. If they have no ID, then they just add its link, not its link, they add just its ID and the password. So copy invitation has all the details about your meeting. Then we want to chat. If we want to chat with the if we don't want to speak, just chat. Just click on the chat option. Then we have option here. We can type anything and just send it. Then we have also option to screen share and the record. Firstly, we will talk about the record. When we have a meeting, and if we talk about any school, so there are a lot of students who cannot attend their class as due to some bad connectivity, then teacher must record their lecture by this option. When they share the screen and they are giving the lecture, they just click on this record option. Your video, your lecture will be recorded automatically. Then you can send it to anyone. Moving towards screen share. We have a lot of options here. We can use its whiteboard. There is a whiteboard also there where we can write by ourselves. Which screen you want to share, it will be shown by this. So I am sharing this one. Click on this share. So now this is a sharing screen. When we will start the sharing, we have these options. We have pause share. Pause share, it will be stop for some time. Then annotate. This is a very interesting option. And this option, there are a lot of more options that we can use. Mouse, select text, draw. If we want to add text while our lecture, we just add here. Okay, if we want to underline some letters, some words, then just we can do it by like that. We can use also stamp. In this stamp there is some sticker sign. We can use star. Okay, if we want to give star to any student. Then we have a spotlight eraser. We can erase all the data. Format. Which type of color do you want to? Okay, which line, right? This color. These are basically for this option where if we want to draw something, we can in the format we can change the color, change the width also, right? So this is done. Undo and redo, then clear. If we want to clear all drawings, my drawings, just all drawing, it will be clean. Then we can also save it also. And there is in the more option we can chat option, means all are the options which I discussed about in this video. These are included in the more. Annotate options, and this more option is not present in your mobile apps. in the mobile apps. It will not be shown on mobiles, but it will be shown on the laptops or computers. In the more we have chat, record, meeting info, disable participant annotation. If we want to disable any student who are creating disturbance while our meeting, we just can mute all these students also. So from where we can mute? From here. From here, there will be a lot of students. We can just mute them. Mute all. Then all the students and those students will be muted. So just you can deliver your lecture very clearly. So it's all about Zoom, and if you have any problem while using Zoom, you can ask me anytime. Till the next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.